Hey guys, welcome back to Software Hub. Today I am going to show you an amazing tool that lets you fully customize your Windows PC. Everything from the start menu to the taskbar and notifications. You will see how easy it is to make your PC look exactly the way you want. But before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Now let's get started. First of all, open any web browser and search for Windhawk. Open the first official website. From here, click the download button and it will start downloading. Once the download is complete, open the installer and install the software. During installation, it may download some additional files, which can take a little time depending on your internet speed. After installation, run the software. You will see this interface. Here, you can see options like featured mods, installed mods, explore, settings and about. In the settings section, you can enable some useful options. For example, if you turn on this option, the Windhawk icon will not appear in the system tray, but it will continue running in the background. Now, go back to the home section. As you can see, we don't have any mods installed yet. In the featured mods section, you will see some of the most popular mods along with how many users are using them. Now, select what you want to customize. For example, I want to customize the Windows 11 Start menu. Simply click on Details. Here, you will see different themes available with this mod. Click on Install to install the mod. If you see a warning message, don't worry. Just click Accept Risk and install. Now the mod is successfully installed. Click on the Settings tab of the mod to customize it. From here, in the Themes drop-down, you can select the style you want for your Start menu. You can preview styles from the Details tab and then choose the one you like. I personally like this one, so I'll go with it. Now if we go back, you can also install more mods for other customizations. For example, let's install Windows Taskbar Styler. Simply install it. You can see there are many cool taskbar styles available. Just check the name and select the style from the settings. I'll choose a simple and clean style. After that, you can explore even more mods. If you don't like the featured ones, click on Explore More. Here you'll find a wide variety of mods for different parts of Windows. For example, let me install Windows Notifications Styler. Once you've customized everything, you can add some extra touches to make your PC look even better. For example, right-click on the desktop, go to View, and click Show Desktop Icons to hide all icons for a cleaner look. Now open the Microsoft Store and search for Lively Wallpaper. Install the application. After installation, open it. You can choose live wallpapers directly from here, but if you don't like the default ones, open any web browser and go to a wallpaper website that provides free 4K live wallpapers. From there, select any wallpaper you like and click Download Wallpaper. You'll find many high-quality wallpapers available. Once the download is complete, go back to Lively Wallpaper and click the plus icon. You can either drag and drop the wallpaper or click Choose File and select the downloaded file. Now you can see the wallpaper has been successfully applied. In the app settings, you can enable or disable options like Start with Windows, so it runs automatically when your PC starts. You can also disable the system tray icon if you don't want it visible. Additionally, you can change the app theme and adjust the volume of the live wallpaper. If you want to take customization even further, you can add desktop widgets using Rainmeter. If you want a full tutorial on customizing windows using Rainmeter, let me know in the comments section. If this video helps you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more updates and tutorials. Thanks for watching.